Coming to the third point here, mental illness in women. Mental illness in women for other reasons. So here, WHO, the World Health Organization, cites that women are 2 times more likely than men to develop certain mental health conditions like depression, eating disorders, and panic disorders. So these problems are more in women than men. So here, WHO report it is. So women are 2 times more likely to be affected by certain mental health disorders. They are one, depression; second, eating disorders; and panic disorders. Women are also 2 to 3 times more likely to attempt suicide. So women are attempting for suicide. You remember, I am telling they are how many times? 3 times more they are attempting for suicide. But you remember another point I tell you, although 4 times more men die from suicide. So women are attempting 3 to 4% they are attempting for suicide, but men are 4 times they are dying because from suicide. And coming to the next paragraph, symptoms can also differ between men and women. So symptoms, they are different in women and different in men. So it's important to understand the different factors that can contribute to each illness. So what are the causes? What are the reasons to bring these mental illness? And the symptoms, they are different in men and different in women. For example, females tend to report more physical symptoms in relation to mental illness. So in women, they go for mental illness because of their physical symptoms. So from the physical symptoms, they go for depression. These can indulge fatigue. So women, they are more tired. Fatigue means tiredness, and loss of appetite means hasivu agade irtakkantadu, loss of appetite, and restlessness because she has with many works in their family. So that's one. And nausea is a vomiting sensation, and headaches. So these and more causes definitely brings her mental illness. And next point is some common mental illness that affect women now. Some other points, some other common illnesses for mental illness of women now. So I tell you here is depression. So about 12% of women experience depression compared to 6% of women. It is double in women. So the depression is more among women. It is 12% as compared to 6% in men. So making women twice as likely to be affected. So it is a double, 2 times a possibility of affecting in women. Depression is a feeling of overwhelming sadness. What is the meaning of depression? It is to have the sadness, and then or sadness or melancholy that can be episodic. Both depression lasting. So sometimes depression goes for a full day, or maybe it goes up to 1 week, or even longer up to 1 month, or chronic. So chronic is some long duration, and that is a persistent continuous depression, that is a chronic. Symptoms can also include loss of interest in daily activities. So this is also leading women to go for mental illness. So losing all enthusiasm and losing interest in daily activities, and then change in appetite, sometimes eating more, sometimes losing the eating habit. So this can occur. And a sense of worthlessness. See herself estimating. Something she seems to be, dull. Everything looks, rather unimportant to her. Major depression, bipolar disorder. So this bipolar disorder is somewhat, I tell you, a mental disorder characterized by episodes of mania, and depression. So taking mania, then goes to depression. So that's what bipolar depression. And postpartum depression, postpartum, postpartum depression means they are after giving birth. Postpartum is after giving birth to a baby, so going for depression. So then these are all depressive illnesses. Other quick facts about depression. Some of these are responsible for mental illness, and I go for very quick. They are women suffering from depression often turn to alcohol abuse years after the onset of depression. So when she, having the alcohol abuse, taking the alcohol and attacking on her. So this also, leads her to depression. Then religion and emotional outlets are two places women frequently turn to in order to cope with depression. So when she is depressed, she has to visit some temples, she has to visit the religious sacred places. And here is, although women experience depression 2 times, more often than men, 2 times she goes for mental illness. The rates of either gender developing bipolar disorder, that's a manic depression, are relatively equal. Then panic disorder, let us look at the panic disorder. The types of panic disorders include GAD, that is general anxiety disorder, and then phobias means fear, then post-traumatic, ಆಘಾತದ ನಂತರದ post-traumatic stress disorder. It is PTSD. It is called PTSD. So of these 3, GAD and specific phobias are more prevalent. GAD and phobias are more effective among women. Panic disorders can also develop a result of or in addition to other illness like depression and drug addiction. So it also, panic disorders also leads to take some pills, drug addiction, so forth. GAD, I explained about GAD. It is general anxiety disorder. An estimated 4 million Americans suffer from GAD, and women are 2 times more likely to develop it. So GAD means general anxiety disorder. ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾದ ಆತಂಕಮಯವಾದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಅಸಮತೋಲನ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ they go, 4 million Americans suffer from this GAD. Once again, women have 2 times affected by GAD than men. And women are 2 times more likely to develop it. Episodes of anxiety can last a few minutes up to a few hours and are also accompanied by overwhelming feelings of worry, tension and urgency. Post-traumatic disorders, this is PTSD, resulting from a serious and tragic event, because they happen. Some tragic events happen, some very serious things they happen. PTSD can affect anyone, but women are twice affected by this PTSD, and they develop mental illness, because females are often the victims of sexual or physical violence. These attacks they occur on women can dramatically alter how a woman sees the world and herself. She is estimating herself. She is always conscious about her beauty, her, impressive outlook. Sexual violence, especially in fact on the onset of PTSD among women. Then eating disorder. What kind of eating disorder that occurs among women? Let us see here. There is a large contributing factor behind eating disorders are the socio-cultural aspects mentioned above. We have mentioned some socio-cultural aspects. The sexualization of women play a very big role in females developing negative self-image as well as negative body image issues and poor self-esteem. So here she is suffering from the weight. So weight has and may always be an effect of women's lives that is scrutinized and placed on a pedestal. So it is no wonder why females feel such pressure to be physically perfect. So they want to be look slim, and that's why they eat less sometimes. While eating disorders like anorexia nervosa. Anorexia nervosa is one disease because women want to keep her body slim and fit so that they eat less amount of food. This kind of disease is called anorexia nervosa. And there is another bulimia nervosa, often developed during the teenage. Bulimia nervosa is eating more. Bulimia nervosa is eating and eating and eating more and more. So these develops during teenage. Onset of such disorders can happen anytime. Of these affected by eating disorders, everyday health estimates that women account for 85% of bulimia and anorexia cases and approximately 65% of binge eating disorders. Binge eating disorders means after eating more and more food, the body grows fat, weight increases, and at that time it is very difficult for women to reduce the weight and fat body. And lastly, getting treatment for a mental health disorder. So if you or someone you love is going through the pain of a mental illness, don't wait to seek treatment. You go for treatment as early as possible. Whatever your reason for waiting, maybe it's not the right time. Don't wait. If you feel growing fat, you feel growing slim, you go for the doctor and get the treatment. So maybe you feel ashamed or suffering. Understand that the sooner you get help for the mental health disorder, the sooner you can begin in a new life free from the contrasting of your illness. So it will definitely